Here in Alaska we have 5 different kinds of salmon, 5 species. The king salmon, silver salmon, red salmon, pink salmon, and last a dog salmon. Different stories about why they call it a dog salmon. I think in some places they use them to feed their sled dogs in the winter. And I think some people call them dog salmon because when they get close to spawning season, their gum recedes. They get these big old teeth on them. But I think the main reason we call them dog salmon is that it makes this funny noise, a familiar noise, kind of like a dog late in the year, you know, when they get ready to spawn. Our local fish hatchery has a run of dog salmon coming in right now. I took some pictures of it. Hope you enjoy. See ya.